Hi friends, on continuation of chapter number 11 DPP. Today's session will start with the 35th question. First के अंदर 1 to 34 we already completed. इस सेशन में 35th से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर क्वेश्चन अवेलेबल है, फॉलोड बाय आप लोगों के पास डीपीपी भी अवेलेबल है, तो आप उसी में से चेक कर सकते हो. सो 35th क्वेश्चन, ऑन एरो यू हैव एक्वियस NaOH फॉलोड बाय CH3I. So what is your answer? So this is the reaction. First step, NaOH. NaOH is strong base. Strong base has tendency to absorb acidic proton. OH में से H निकाल देगा, you get ONA. ONA के बाद reaction start with CH3I. NaI निकल जाएगा and you get OCH3. So this is all about B Bombay is your right answer. Question number 36. You are asking a cumin reaction. So cumin का end product क्या होगा? Phenol and acetone. So phenol and acetone is available on option C, Calcutta. So C, Calcutta is your right answer. Question number 37. Phenol on treatment with CO2 in presence of NaOH. By the acidifying condition, it produces X as a major product. X on treatment with acetylation, that is CH3CO twice O, that is acetic anhydride, in the presence of catalyst H2SO4. What is your answer? So स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रिपेयर करते जाइए, पता चलता जाएगा. फिनॉल ऑन ट्रीटमेंट विद CO2 NaOH, दिस डायरेक्टली गिव्स यू दिस सैलिसिलिक एसिड. So first step, when phenol treated with CO2 in the presence of NaOH, Kolbe's reaction, X is your salicylic acid. Now salicylic acid undergoes acetylation in the presence of H2SO4. So that is your acetyl salicylic acid, that is nothing but aspirin. So A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Phenol react with methyl chloroformate in the presence of NaOH forms A, and A react with Br2 to form B. Respective A and B क्या होगा? चार ऑप्शन आप लोगों के पास है. Let's discuss this equation. So 38, you have phenol in the presence of NaOH. NaOH and reaction करना है chloroformate के साथ. तो this is your chloroformate. So basically O यहाँ पे directly attack करेगा, Cl निकल जाएगा यहाँ से. What you get A on screen, that is phenyl ring OCO OCH3. Next step, simple bromination. This is a bulkier group. Bromine is attacked by ortho para directing group. Ortho position is hindered, that's why Br is introduced to this para position, and your answer is B Bombay. Sorry, C Calcutta is your right answer, but bromine is associated at para position, so this is your structure B. Let's start with the 39. Which of this following upon treatment with tertiary butyl sodiumate followed by addition of bromine water fails to decolorize the color of bromine? Fails to decolorize the color of bromine, that is unsaturation test. Unsaturation test कौन perform करेगा? Wherever you have double bond. So here in case this and this, answer is not preferable. Why? Because each and every stuff having double bond. तो आंसर A and C में से होगा और आंसर A अहमदाबाद. बट कैसे आया, क्यों आया, डिस्कशन करते हैं. So this is your question. A option, टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल सोडियम, उसके साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे. सिंपल BrNa NaBr निकल जाएगा. बल्कियर ग्रुप प्रेजेंट इन इट. There is no unsaturation present in it. कोई भी डबल बॉन्ड कंटेनिंग स्पीशीज अवेलेबल नहीं है. That's why it fails to decolorization of bromine water. So that's why A Ahmedabad is your right answer. B, C and D तीनों ऑप्शन नहीं प्रिफरेबल है. इसका रीजन क्या है? देखिए, दिस इज अ बी स्ट्रक्चर. टर्सरी ब्यूटॉक्साइड के साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे, यू गेट डबल बॉन्ड. डबल बॉन्ड कलराइज करेगा. सी ऑप्शन के एंड में भी टर्मिनल पे यू गेट डबल बॉन्ड, तो वो ब्रोमीन का कलर डीकलराइज करेगा. एंड आंसर डी, ऑप्शन डी के अंदर भी अगर आप रिएक्शन करते हो तो फाइनली यू गेट डबल बॉन्ड. सो एक्सेप्ट ए के अलावा बाकी सारी जगह पे यू गेट डबल बॉन्ड, एंड ड्यू टू दिस ब्रोमीन डीकलराइजेस. सो दैट्स व्हाई आंसर ए अहमदाबाद इज योर राइट आंसर. Question number 40 on your screen. You are given one structure. First, K2CO3. K2CO3 is a weak base. Weak base has tendency to absorb acidic proton, and then followed by CH3I. 1 इक्विमोलर मीन्स एक ही CH3 मीन्स एक ही CH3 इंट्रोड्यूस हो सकता है. फाइन. सो 48 स्ट्रक्चर जो दिया हुआ इसके ऊपर K2CO3 डालिए. K2CO3 इज weak base has tendency to absorb acidic proton. तो here in case you get two probability. This is also OH, this is also OH. कौन सा OH निकलेगा? This is less stable, this is high stable. Why? Because this is phenoxide ion बनाएगा. And due to this resonance stabilized करेगा वो. And last step, जहां पे नेगेटिव चार्ज है वहीं पे CH3I अटैक करेगा. CH3 introduced to this, I निकल जाएगा सिस्टम में से and you get your answer. So that's why A Ahmedabad is your right answer. So 41, it's almost repeat. सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड CO2 सैलिसिलिक एसिड बनाएगा. लास्ट स्टेप एसिटाइलेशन करना है तो एस्प्रिन का स्ट्रक्चर हो जाएगा. एस्प्रिन का स्ट्रक्चर है A Ahmedabad is your एस्प्रिन स्ट्रक्चर. So A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Next 42 on board. 42 is all about phenol undergoes HCl, HCN, N-hydrogen, Cl2. So you get CHO. This reaction is known as Gattermann reaction. Very easy. So D Delhi is your right answer. Next 43. Which of this following substitution at para position is most effective in stabilization of phenoxide ion? तो कौन सा होगा? तो COCH3 एसिटाइल फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो होगा वो सबसे बढ़िया होगा. नेक्स्ट वी मूव ऑन टू दिस 44. 44. Which of this following compound will not soluble in sodium bicarbonate? So that is B Bombay benzoic acid. 45 बहुत इजी है, that is C कलकत्ता. 46 भी बहुत इजी है, that is टेक्स्ट बुक का स्ट्रेट अवे है. Phenol undergoes bromination 2,4,6 tribromophenol, that is A Ahmedabad. Okay, so let's start with the topic 3, that is preparation of ether. ether के ऊपर से कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं ADPP में से. बाकी सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत इजी है, आप खुद से भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द 57 क्वेश्चन. द मेजर प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन B in a following reaction is, you are given one equation. On HI you get A, on alcohol H2SO4 you get B. So obviously HI will leads to give you the iodide compound, and iodide compound के ऊपर आप अल्कोहल जो बचेगा उसके ऊपर H2SO4 करोगे तो that is dehydration, and dehydration will leads to give you the double bond. Okay, so let's start with the 57 solution. You are given an equation when first step it undergoes HI, hit it. So first step का A जो बनेगा that is your alcohol, that is this, plus CH2H5I is released, and this species undergoes H2SO4, that is dehydration. You get component B. So your final answer B Bombay 57 का होगा. Equation आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. Let's start with the 58. You are given one equation undergoes HBr excess, that is important one. Hit it, you get A. A undergoes alcoholic KOH, that is beta elimination reaction, followed by H plus acidifying condition, you get B. B undergoes ozonolysis followed by hydrolysis, you get C. Then go for A, B and C. आपको C ढूंढना है. So this is your component undergoes HBr is in excess. So ये बॉन्ड भी टूटेगा और ये बॉन्ड भी टूटेगा and you get double bond. Br यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Then alcoholic KOH beta elimination reaction. अल्फा के ऊपर से हेलोजन, बीटा के ऊपर से हाइड्रोजन. Likewise अल्फा के ऊपर से हेलोजन, बीटा के ऊपर से हाइड्रोजन. You get double bond over here, that is called as B. B undergoes ozonolysis followed by hydrolysis. So HCHO is one of the product. Glyoxal is your second product, and salicylaldehyde, that is C, is your salicylaldehyde. So answer A Ahmedabad is your right answer. 59. Once again interesting one. बोर्ड में भी पूछा हुआ है ये क्वेश्चन, बहुत ही इजी है. Organic compound A means C9H10O when treated with HI undergoes cleavage to yield B and C. B gives yellow precipitate with AgNO3, whereas C tautomerized to gives D and D gives positive iodoform test. A could be. तो A आपको ढूंढना है. So this is your A component, that is C9H10O undergoes HI. Part हो जाएगा, that is phenyl ring CH2I is one of the product, and this is your another product. This tautomer means ketone-enol system. You get CH3CHO. This will give you the positive iodoform test. This undergoes AgNO3. You get yellow color AgI is precipitate out. So your answer is C, Calcutta. 60th. You are given a C9H18O3 having a higher boiling point to this B. So A कौन सा होगा, B कौन सा होगा, वही आपको सोचना है. So A जनरली होगा OH containing component and B होगा आपका methoxy containing component. So your answer A, Ahmedabad, is your right answer. Let's start with the 61. 1-methyl ethene oxide when treated when excess amount of HBr. तो सबसे पहले स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ कीजिए and then followed by HBr को ऐड करते हैं. So this is your structure. 1-methyl ethylene oxide undergoes HBr. HBr O के साथ अटैक करेगा सबसे पहले H plus नॉन बॉन्डिंग पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन के साथ, and then this bond is break down. Now Br minus is introduced to the system. So OH goes to this side, Br goes to this side. Next step, SN2 HBr अटैक करेगा फिर से. So finally H from here, OH from here, water molecule is released and Br is introduced to the system. So your answer is B, Bombay. 62. You are given one component HI in excess. So HI in excess. So here in case you have one O and another O, HI is in excess. So obviously ऊपर भी H चला जाएगा और नीचे I आ जाएगा and you get your structure answer C, Calcutta is your right answer. Try by your own ways. और C आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है चेक करके बताइए. 63 question on your board. You are given one huge large structure undergoes AlCl3. So obviously breakdown किस हिसाब से होगा, कैसे होगा, डिस्कशन करते हैं. So you are given a reaction AlCl3 that is used for the isomerization. Standard 11 alkane के अंदर भी मैंने बताया था आपको AlCl3 is also used as a isomerization. So here in case AlCl3 के साथ ये जो कार्बन का H जो है वो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे अटैक करेगा and Cl remove from the system and you get cyclization, intramolecular within the molecule cyclization takes place. That is intramolecular cyclization and you get the structure. So your answer is C, Calcutta. 64. You are given one structure undergoes concentrated HBr but it is in excess. So दो जगह पे वो अटैक कर सकता है. First is OCH3 and another is your CH2 double bond CH2. So कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा? Your option B, Bombay, is your right answer. Let's move on to this 65. 65 के अंदर क्वेश्चन रीड आउट कीजिए. You are given one structure undergoes chlorination CCl4, AlCl3 anhydrous. कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा? रिएक्शन डिस्कस करते हैं. So this is your structure undergoes Cl2 CCl4, pi bond breakdown and जहां पे Cl and Cl लग जाएगा. Anhydrous AlCl3. Once again intramolecular cyclization takes place and one Cl is removed and you get your answer. D, Delhi is your right answer. Question number 66. On your screen you are given one component HBr is in an excess. Excess is important one. दो जगह पे अटैक हो सकता है OCH3 एंड पाई बॉन्ड के ऊपर. लेट्स डिस्कस. सो OCH3 HBr is nothing but H plus plus Br minus. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप H प्लस अटैक करेगा पाई बॉन्ड के ऊपर, you get stable benzyl carbocation, then Br minus is introduced to the system, you get Br over here. Once again HBr is in excess, तो ये HBr सामने OCH3 को break down करेगा and you get phenol over there. So your answer B Bombay is your right answer. So this is all about from my side. Chapter 11 DPP part 2 यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है. बाकी सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही इजी है, आप खुद से भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. सो खत्म कर लीजिएगा. वेरी सून यू गेट चैप्टर नंबर 12 and 13 DPP. थैंक यू सो मच.